Hello there, I'm Nate with Sashco, and today I want to talk to you about Big Stretch. Big Stretch is a water-based product that is perfect for windows, doors, siding, and then also for trim. It's our air sealing product. So, your house moves, and when you're sealing a window or a door, you want to make sure that that air control layer is maintained. You don't want it to only last 6 months and then you're air conditioning outside. And because Big Stretch is formulated to really move and to really hang on tight, it's going to be great for that water and that air sealing. It comes in 12 colors plus a clear. And if you want to learn more about Big Stretch, go to sashco.com.